We are studying the kinds of noun in this video. In last video, we have studied about noun, an introduction and a singular plural of noun, form of a noun. Now, if you want to see the last video, you can go in the series list on my channel and you can get a playlist there. Now, we are going to study common noun. There are various kinds of noun which we are going to cover today and itself. Therefore, no need of tension about anything which for the test you have to solve on the nouns. Okay, a word of noun. Okay, in common noun we are studying this. A word of noun which denotes in common to every person or everything of the same kind class is defined as a common noun. Means a person of a same class or kind, means a profession or a age is called a common noun. Means a person whom we generally call is called as a common noun. Okay, like see here, Asia is a continent. Continent is a common noun. Okay, there are various continents like Asia, Europe, Africa. So what is continent? Continent is a common noun. Continent is a word applicable to any other continent. Okay, this continent is applicable to any other continent also. Second example we will see to understand more. London is a capital of England. Okay, here London is a capital of England. Capital is applicable to any other capital. Okay, see here, capital is applicable to any other capital. So capital is a common noun. Capital is a word which we can use to Delhi, which is capital of India, and capital is word which we also can use to London, which is the capital of England. Here the word capital is used in both the cases. In various cases the word capital can be used in a same context. Okay, therefore we have to say that capital is a common noun. Other example which I can give you is a person whose name is Alex. Okay, his name is Alex, is a boy. Okay, a person whose name is Max is also a boy. A person whose name is Ram is also a boy. Therefore, these three persons which can also generally called as boy. Therefore, boy, boy becomes a common noun. So, the words which are used can be used as a common to anybody or anything, many various things to say. Therefore, it is called a common noun. Here the boy is a common noun in those three examples which I have given you. So the common noun is all about this only. Now we are going to study proper noun. Proper noun, for this we have to see the definition of proper noun. A proper noun is a name of a particular person, place or a thing. It is very simple. Proper noun is a name of particular person, place or a thing. A word of a proper name. Okay, here the word of a proper name is always written with a capital letter as the first letter of the word. Okay, here the first letter of the word is written in a capital letter, is written as a capital letter. This is a simplest noun we have to study. A name, a specific name of a person is a proper noun. Means if my name is Max, then M is a letter which we have to use here in capital, and my name is Max, therefore Max became a proper noun, a name of a person. Okay, then we will see the name of a place. Okay, Delhi. Delhi is also a name of a place which is in India, okay, which is the capital of India, we will write D capital, and we will see that what the name of a place is shown here. This name of a place is Delhi, therefore Delhi became proper noun. Now the name of a thing, okay, name of a thing, we will see here in the examples the name of the thing also we will get. See here, Asia is a continent. Asia is a proper noun. What is Asia? Asia is a proper noun because A here, we will, for this we will have to use A here in capital letters. Is a proper noun. It is a proper noun because it is a name of a continent, represents a particular continent. London is a capital of England. Here London is proper noun, England is proper noun because, and therefore the first letter of London and England is in capital. These words are applicable only to a particular city and a country respectively, so London and England are the proper nouns. Okay, see here, London and England are proper nouns as they are the name of the city and the country. Okay, now this is all about the proper noun. It is simply a proper name of a person or place or thing. Now we are going to study abstract noun. We are going to study now is abstract noun. Abstract noun is a very simple concept and it is simplest of all. I don't know why people get afraid of what is abstract noun and they are very confused. So today we will study abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun which usually denotes a quality. Okay, what is noun denotes? This denotes a quality, action or a state without reference to an object to which it pertains. Okay, pertains means without any reference, there with reference to the object, there is a simple quality which we cannot see but it is present. Means in a concrete form there is no any material like called kindness. Kindness is which we can feel, not see. Okay, it is a quality of a person. Hatred. Okay, hatred. Here see, all the nouns have the first letter in capital and all these are qualities, means braveries. Bravery is also quality of a person. Okay, laughter is also quality, means which we cannot see from inside but it is there. Then comes childhood, youth, music, obedience and growth. These all are abstract terms which we cannot see but we can feel. We can feel the youth, we can feel the growth. We cannot see it particularly and therefore it is called abstract noun. See how simple it is. Huh? Now we will move forward to collective noun. Collective noun, a word denoting a number or a person, thing together but spoken as a one. Okay, various things together but spoken as a one is called a collective noun. Like a bouquet of a flower. There are various flowers in one bouquet and collectively it is called a bouquet. Therefore, bouquet becomes a collective noun. Every nation maintains its own army. See here the example. Every nation maintains its own army. My uncle in the village owns a herd of a sheep. See, my uncle in a village owns a herd of a sheep. Here herd has H capital and there are various sheep in one herd. Therefore, herd is a collection of various sheep and it is called a collective noun. During Sundays, we see a big crowd on the Marina Beach. Okay, on Marina Beach we will see big crowd. In a crowd there are various humans present. Therefore, it is called a collection of various humans. Therefore, it is a crowd which is called collective noun. Now we will see some more examples. Army means the number of soldiers. Herd means the number of sheep. Crowd means number of people. So the words is capital letter are called the collective noun. Okay, here these words have first letter which is capital. Okay, the word in the capital letters are called collective nouns. Okay, here whole the word is used in a capital letters. Okay, not a single means not only a single first letter but whole the word which is used here above in the above sentences are collective nouns. We will move forward to compound nouns. Okay, what are compound nouns? There is very simple thing about the compound noun. Two or more nouns combined together from a single noun functions as a single noun. Such nouns are called compound nouns. Now you know what is noun. Noun is a name. When two names combine together and became a one name, that is called compound noun. This compound noun we have some examples by which we can understand it better. The bus driver. See here, bus driver drives carefully. Bus is one noun, driver is one noun, and bus driver become another compound noun. The school teacher. See, school is a noun, teacher is a noun, and it became compound noun, school teacher. Mango fruit juice is very tasty. See here, mango fruit juice. Okay, here fruit juice is one noun. Therefore, when two nouns or more nouns, here mango is also joined to the fruit juice. Their bus conductor is cordial to the passengers. Okay, the bus conductor is cordial to the passengers. Here bus and conductor, there are two nouns which are combined together and hence they are called compound nouns. Here we have understood about the compound nouns. Now we will move forward to countable nouns. Okay, countable nouns. This noun is also a very simple. The countable nouns are the name of people, object, etc. we can count. Okay, the thing we can count what or whom the said words denote. Therefore, thing we can count is a countable noun. Here I want to tell you a simple tip. The thing which we can start counting is a countable noun. Okay, don't think about the finishing counting. Okay, the thing which we can start counting, like stars, we can start counting 1 2 3 4. Therefore they are countable nouns. Okay, don't think that there are infinite stars and we can't count it. We can start counting, so it is a countable noun. Okay, the thing which we can start counting is a countable noun. There are various examples which here we have given. See, book. Okay, book is a countable noun. Friend is a countable noun. Brother, we can count our brothers. Therefore, it is a countable noun. Teacher, countable noun. Doctor, countable. Cow, countable. Tree, countable. Mango, we can start counting mango on the tree. Don't think about the finishing the counting. Whenever we can start, wherever in which example, in whatever example we can start counting the thing, therefore it is a countable noun. Simple. We can start counting persons, humans in a crowd. 1 2 3 4 and further. This is a countable noun. But the thing which we can't count means we cannot start counting only, therefore it is not a countable noun. Okay, it's as simple as it looks. Okay, this is all about the kinds of nouns. This is all about noun. We have studied nouns. I don't think you will have any difficulty further in the noun. This topic was very easy and I have taught you all the aspects of this topic. Now go and solve your test for which you have come here. You are master in nouns.